Hello students. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Once again, let's start.
Brought a new interesting topic. Today you can learn how to open the CBSE website and how to open your handbook of updated syllabus of class 9th. Let's check it out without wasting our time. Go to Google search, then click on cbseacademic.nic. Then you can see the first link itself. You can open it. When you're seeing, you can see the home button. Click on the home button. After clicking on the home button, go to the skill education because our topic AI skill education, our topic and our subject AI, which the code is 417, belongs to the skill education. So click on skill education. After clicking on the skill education, you can go for the books. CBSE website will provide for us books, question banks of each and everything. Any subject, if you want, you can check it out. So, skill education particularly will have 22 skill subjects the CBSE is providing for us. So, our school has selected the artificial intelligence. You check it out. Your school has selected which one. So, if you are belonging to AI, you are in the right position. So, if you want to check it out, what the CBSE website has released the handbook, here itself, go for books, click on the books. In that, if you belong to which class, middle school, secondary level, class 9th, so you can scroll down so that you can see how many skill education subjects have been given by the CBSE. See how many skills they have given the subjects: 401 retail, information technology. Every skill education handbook the CBSE has beautifully provided for us. So you can check it out. So go for the our subject. Now our subject is artificial intelligence. The code number is 417. You should remember. In class 9th and class 10th, we will have the same code number 417. So now I'm going to open the class 9th. So to check it out, and as you are literacy, now you can check the data literacy. So here we are having the data literacy lesson title, approach, summary, learning objectives, learning outcomes. Each and everything they have given the beautifully by the CBSE. Now we will start without wasting the time. What is the introduction of data literacy? What do you mean by data literacy? Actually, this year they have changed the syllabus. How I have said to you in the previous video, same way they have changed the syllabus. In the previously last year in the class 9, the second chapter used to be AI project cycle, but they have joined that AI project cycle to the first chapter and they have introduced data literacy, which is very important nowadays, students. You understand the importance of the data, what the data is actually, whatever you are seeing surrounding of yourself. It may be in your home, it may be in the street, in your village, in your city, in your restaurant, wherever you are going, data is back of you. Data is a simple logic, raw facts, informations, whatever it may be, that is called as data. So this chapter literally is saying you to understand about the data, how you are going to collect the data, how you are going to save the data, how you are going to analyze the data, how you are going to talk about the data. It's about being able to collect, analyze, and show the data in its a way that makes sense. So here itself, you can see that data literacy is having the figure which they have given. You can check it out. Data literacy. So data in the sense raw facts or information. Data in the sense raw facts or information. Literacy. So you are called as literates. Literates general meaning is who are educated. So here, literacy about the data in the sense who are educated to how to use the data, how to collect the data, the ability to read, comprehend, and communicate in any language. That is called as literacy. Data literacy is the ability to understand, interpret, and communicate with the data. The meaning, simple meaning is you should be able to. Let's move on to the next one, that is called as data pyramid, which is very important for you to get the question answers. Data pyramid is made up of different stages of working with data. So data pyramid will have 4 phases. The first phase is data. Coming to the next one is information. The third one is knowledge. And the fourth one is wisdom. Data in the sense what raw information you are going to collect it, and information who is giving the information to you, what information you are going to collect, from where you are going to collect the data, and when you are going to collect the data. By taking this all the information and the data, how you are going to analyze it to get a knowledge on that data. At the last, finally, what conclusion you are going to get as the wisdom. So we will see the different parts in detail. The first one is moving up from bottom, that is data is available in a raw form. It is not very useful because all the information we are going to collect. So from that we should take the meaningful, valuable, which is useful for us. That data is called as the information. If this information is leading you, is guiding you, the knowledge, how the things are going to happen, that is called as knowledge. And the fourth one, wisdom, allows you to understand why the things are happening in that particular way. Let's understand this data pyramid with a simple traffic light example. Let's check it out. What is that one? For example, when you traffic light, you'll have 3 colors. Yes. So you know the colors: green, yellow, and red. Red stands for to stop there. So here data, when the red is stopping, so red color is seen in that signal. So the sign is to stop there. Now the information given from that red light is south facing traffic light on ABC street has turned red color. That information it will be strike in our minds. And from that knowledge, what we'll get? The traffic light in my direction has turned red. So I should stop the car. That is our wisdom. So from this, you can understand that whenever anything is happening, our brain starts to collect the data. Then after it analyzes the information, then it leads to knowledge. Finally, we'll get the conclusion. Means we will take one decision. That is the usage of data pyramid. Next, we are going to see the impact of data literacy. They have given some activities in this one that you are. So we'll move to the next topic, that is how to become data literate. How to become data literate. So here, data literate in the sense how you will be educated to use the data, how you will use perfectly the data, how you are going to become educated to analyze the data, to use the data, to clean the data, to interpret the data. Okay, no need of getting any confusion. I'll show you with a example because you all will be having fun to play the video game. Let's get this example to you to understand the data literate with a game example. Let's check it out. Every data will have a story. You should understand the story. You should interact with the data to understand that. For example, you want to buy a video game online, so not offline. So you want to buy a video game through the online. When you want to buy a video game through the online, there will be cash payments. You have to select that which will be the cheapest product available, which game is having the less price cost, and for the game also how many users are using most. Does this game or does that product is satisfying all our requirements? These all are the things which we are going to search out whenever we are going to purchase any video game online. This is general questions, but if you are a data literate, the uh, if you know the purpose of the data utilization properly, so then what you are going to check, the first you are going to do is you are going to filter the category as per the requirement. If the budget is low, select the price filter as low to high. Next, you are going to check the user ratings of the products. The third, you are going to find out your requirement. So this is the process of how you are going to be a data literate. When if you are being a data literate, it will be easy to you to buy any product online. It may be video game, it may be cloth, it may be shirt, pant, kurtas, or anything else. Data literacy process framework. So here we are having total 6 stages. The first one is plan, second one is communicate, third one is assess, fourth one develop culture, prescriptive learning, and the last one is evaluation. So when you are going to check it out, so first you are going to do data literacy framework. So you should have these 6 plans, guys. The first one is planning. So any program, anything you are going to start, then you should plan it properly. After planning that one, the goal should be have some communication towards the request. Then these communications should get one assessment tool to find their comfort level with that data. Next phase we are going to move is develop culture. So the adopted program will improve data literacy skills through learning, and we'll have the existing culture with time. Prescriptive learning will be having the resources for individuals to choose from in alignments. Evaluation, the last topic, evaluation, and decide on how frequently progress will be measured. Thank you, guys. We'll meet in the next session continuously. We'll be moving on to the remaining topics. Thank you.